This video is about product rule of a derivative. So look at the number 1. We want to figure out dy by dx. Since this is a two-function multiplication, so you have to use the product rule. Here's the product rule. Since here's adding, so order doesn't matter. Therefore, you will get the dy by dx. Let's think about this is u, here's v. So we will do the derivative for this u. Your v stay. Then plus. We just switch. This time x stay, and then is you do the 2x plus 7 to the 5th power. We do the derivative. Derivative for x is 1 times 2x plus 7 to the 5th power. And a plus, here's x times. This one you have to use the chain rule. First of all, you have to use the power rule. So drop down the 5, 2x plus 7, we do the 4th power. Then keep doing the derivative inside. For 2x plus 7, you do the derivative, you will get the 2. So multiply by 2. Then we organize, you have 2x plus 7 to the 5th power plus 10x. Then 2x plus 7, we do the 4th power. We will take this 2x plus 7 to the 4th power, take out. Then for this one, it's only 2x plus 7 left, plus 10x. Then we combine like terms. You will get the 2x plus 7 to the 4th power times 12x plus 7. This will be the final answer for number 1. Let's go to number 2. Still, dy by dx equals, you think about this is u, this is v. So I will do this time, let's do the v prime first. So x minus 7 to the 6th power stay. Then negative 3x plus 7, we do derivative. Then plus. I just want to show you it doesn't matter which one you do the derivative. Order doesn't matter for the product rule, but for the quotient rule, order does matter because here is a subtraction. Therefore, keep going, it will be the x minus 7 to the 6th power, we got to do derivative. Then multiply by negative 3x plus 7. So, x minus 7 to the 6th power. Here's the derivative. You will get the negative 3 plus. When you do the derivative for that, power rule first. So 6 times x minus 7 to the 5th power. Then you have to do the inside. Derivative for x minus 7, you will get 1. So multiply by 1. Then times 3x plus 7. Let's organize. You will get the negative 3. X minus 7 to the 6th power. Plus 6 times x minus 7 to the 5th power times negative 3x plus 7. Since we have factor x minus 7 to the 5th power, so you get the negative 3x minus 7 left. For this is gone, so you get the plus 6, negative 3x plus 7. So we keep doing here x minus 7 to the 5th power. This will be negative 3x plus 21. Distributive property, negative 18x plus 42. Therefore, when you combine like terms, it will be negative 21x plus 63. Then for here, the common factor will be negative 21. So I put the negative 21x minus 7 to the 5th power. Then you get the x minus 3. Now let's go to number 3. Remember for square root 4 minus x, that will be 1 over 2 square root 4 minus x. Then you have to do the chain rule. 4 minus x derivative, you will get negative 1. So multiply by negative 1. When you use a product rule for number 3, this is the one, just use the formula 1 over square root of x. Then you have to use the chain rule for the inside number. Okay. Therefore, for number 3, I will do the dy by dx equals x squared minus 3x. I will do the derivative. Then square root of 4 minus x stay plus x squared minus 3x stay. Then you will do the 4 minus x. That's square root of this. We got to do derivative. The derivative for x squared minus 3x will be 2x minus 3. Then you have square root of 4 minus x plus x squared minus 3x. Then times. We already get the answer here. So negative 1 over 2 square root of 4 minus x. Then we organize. You have 2x minus 3 square root of 4 minus x minus x squared minus 3x. Because this negative 1, I move to the front. Then over 2 square root 4 minus x. Let's make the same denominator. So you get the 2 square root of 4 minus x times 2. Let me see, is I put the 2 over here, and then this one square. So that you will get 2 square root of 4 minus x. 2x minus 3, let's do over here. You multiply by 4 minus x. Later on, you will multiply by this 2. Therefore, we do the FOIL here. You will get the 8x minus 2x squared minus 12 plus 3x. Then we combine like terms. You will get the negative 2x squared plus 11x minus 12. Then you multiply by 2. We do the distributive property here. You will get negative 4x squared plus 22x minus 24. Then you do the distributive property for this negative sign. That is negative x squared plus 3x. Let's organize. Your denominator is 2 square root 4 minus x. To the top, you will get the negative 5x squared plus 25x minus 24. This will be the final answer you have. Let's go to number 4. So dy by dx. We still use this formula. Square root of x will be 1 over 2 square root of x. Therefore, you will get square root of x. You do the derivative. 2x minus 1 to the 3rd power stay. then plus square root of x stay. You go to do the 2x minus 1 to the third power, then you do derivative. For square root of x, you know that will be 1 over 2 square root of x. 2x minus 1 to the third power plus square root of x. And then we do 3 drop down, 2x minus 1 square. Then don't forget, do inside 2x minus 1 derivative equals 2. So we multiply by 2. We organize. You will get the 2 square root of x, 2x minus 1 to the third power. Then plus 6 square root of x, 2x minus 1 squared. We try to make the same denominator, so we have 2 square root of x. We multiply by square root of x here, we do square. Then we multiply by this 2. Yeah, let me write down here, multiply by this 2. So we organize. You will get the denominator is the same, 2 square root of x. And you will take this 2x minus 1 square out. So for the first one, you will get 2x minus 1 left plus 2 times 6 is 12. Square root of x squared is x. Then we organize. You will get the 2 square root of x. Look at the top. Will be 2x minus 1 squared times 14x minus 1. Then this will be your answer.